Here's a new 2018 Fiat 124 Spider. Hold on tight because you're about to be driven wild with sun-kissed Italian charisma. This is one talented performer on the road and inside the cabin. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: manual transmission, sport suspension, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Automobile Explain, the Fiat in each of its versions, share with the other car a reassuring balance of ride and handling with a significant degree of compliance going into a tight corner. Fiat, it's all about adventure. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.